If you're thinking of throwing or discarding your old wig just because the closure is bowed or your frontal is bowed, I don't think you should throw it away, because in this economy, getting a new wig is so expensive. So I show you guys how to install a wig that is old and bowed and still looking bougie. So stay tuned, watch till the end of the video and see how I did this thing, and it came out just the way I wanted it. So this is how the wig looks like from the inside. You can see that it's really bowed. Lots of hairs are gone. I don't know what happened, but I guess it's because of too much baby hairs doing, and it has made the wig like that, or maybe from too much plugging. But anyways, it's not a problem. We are doing something about this wig. Now let's put this wig on and see how it looks like. This is me fixing it on my head. Hey, you know how you wear your wigs, so wear it the way you want it. Just make sure that it is fixed well on your head before anything else. Okay, so I'm adjusting the wig just the way I want it on my head and how I want it to look on me. So yeah, I'm showing you how the front looks like. It's not really fitting. It's not really fitting. That's why I placed the comb there so that you see the space there. So we really need to fix this thing well before it falls down. We don't want our enemies to laugh at us. So what I'm using is got to be glue spray. This is not the glue, this is just the freeze spray that I'm using. So you make sure that you apply maximum amount, appreciable amount that it's needed. Don't be stingy, just apply appreciable amount, and make sure you go at least 1 to 3 layers before you install the wig. And once you've applied it, you want to make sure it's tacky before you put the lace on it. So as you can see, I keep on spraying it on my forehead so that I get a reasonable amount on my forehead and get that tackiness before drying it. But before you get that tackiness, you have to dry it a bit. Either you use hand fan or hair dryer or hair blower to make that happen. So sorry for my voice. I've lost my voice but I'm still trying to do this for you guys. So I'm still applying some of the got to be freeze spray to make sure that the one on my forehead is enough and tacky as I keep applying. So as you can see, I didn't do the bowed cap method where you wear a cap before installing the wig. I didn't do that. I just went straight ahead to fix the wig on my head. But you can do that to save your hair, especially your edges. So as you can see, I'm just applying the hair blower so that it will make the got to be spray tacky enough. So I'm placing the wig on where I sprayed the freeze spray. Put it in place, position it well, and use your comb to press on it so that it will lie flat and stick to your forehead. Whilst doing that, make sure no hair is there, so you brush away the hairs that is interrupting with what you are doing. And so you brush away the hairs, the baby hairs that you'll be using to lay down the baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm checking to see if the lace is properly laid. Then I move on to lay the edges and then lay the parts that is not really flat. I mean the lace So I sprayed some of the free spray on the comb to lay the portion that was not properly laid on my forehead. Then the next part is combing the hair to bring out the style. This wig was actually straightened and styled before installation because it was so messy. It was very bad, so I had to do something about it. So now I'm doing the edge. I'm laying the baby hairs for you all. I'm using a wax, a styling wax, and it's so good. It's very, very good. It lays all stubborn hairs. I hate a situation where you lay baby hair and by the time you realize they are standing up, like, where are you going? Come on, lay there and then let's see something. So I use the wax to prevent all that. I hate that. I really hate that. So I recommend using wax because, man, it makes the work easier. It's good to use. I recommend that to the styling. So I spray some of the free spray on it to just keep it in place, just in case this one also proves stubborn. So next thing is removing the clips from it and then combing the hair out, bringing the style out, and then yeah, we are done for this style. Don't forget to like, comment, share for more videos and tutorials. Bye bye. See you in my next video.